Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a black paint finish and is the LT Trail Boss trim. It includes features such as our power liftgate, our factory 2-inch lift, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, a backup camera with adaptive and Hitch guidelines, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now into the front of the vehicle. We can see that we have our chrome finish door handle. Just beyond that, our door locks. Moving down to the door panel itself, we can see that we have our powered outside mirror controls, our window locks, as well as our power window controls. In the bottom of the door panel, we have some additional storage. Up and to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow haul mode, as well as all of our drive mode select. Below that, we have our lighting controls, including our in-bed lighting. Moving to the middle, we have our display cluster with digital speedometer in the center. The left-hand side of the steering wheel contains all of our cruise settings, as well as our heated steering wheel button. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free. Moving to the middle, we can see our radio. If we hit the home button at the bottom, we can see that it contains our Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also functions as our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. It is a touchscreen, but we can see that we have our additional controls below. Then, just below the controls, we have our dual front zone climate control, as well as our heated front seats. Then we have some additional buttons below. We have our downhill park assist, our powered liftgate, our hazard lights, as well as our traction controls. And then just below that, a USB-C, a USB, a flip-up 12-volt plug, and then some additional storage below. We have our 2 cup holders just behind that, and our center console with a leather finish, and our storage on top. We can also see our key here. At the top, we have our unlocks, as well as our locks, our remote starter, and our powered liftgate, and our alarm system. Opening up the center console, we can see inside, we have some deep storage. Moving to the seats, we can see that they are finished in a black cloth finish, and are heated in both the seat back and the seat cushion. Lastly, moving above our rear view mirror, we have all of our OnStar settings, our rear seat check reminder, as well as our lighting controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, just before our front doors, we can see that we have our Z71 for our off-road badging. Moving down to our tires and rims, we can see that we have a black alloy finish with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap. The side mirrors are in a paint match finish and are powered. We have our paint match door handle with keyless entry, as well as our rear paint match. Just on the back of the bed, we have our Trail Boss badging. And at the corner, we have our corner steps. In the back, we can see we have dual chrome exhausts. And in the center of them, we have our trailer hitch. The back of the vehicle has our LT, Silverado, and Chevrolet badging. You can see the opener for our hitch. On the left-hand side is our backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines. Opening the vehicle with the press of a button, we can see our powered liftgate in action. We have tie-downs in both the back and the front of the vehicle, as well as our in-bed lighting and our spray-on bed liner. Now moving into the rear of the vehicle, we can see we have our chrome finish door handle, our window control, as well as some additional storage in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle itself, we have our storage compartments in both the passenger and driver seat. In the back of the center console, we have our 2 cup holders. Below it, we can see we have our 2 vents, as well as a USB-C, a USB, and a flip-up 12-volt plug. As stated earlier, the passenger side also has our storage compartment. We have 3 seats in the back, all finished in our black cloth. In the center of the middle seat, we have our 2 cup holders and some additional storage. In the back of the 2 side seats, we have storage compartments, and we can fold up our seats by simply lifting up on the bottom to get some additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.